It is 5 a.m. and I am about to go hiking for the first time in my entire 19 years of living. Man, we're here. I'm trying to put on the chest camera. It's gonna be a POV video. It's a long hike, man. Let's get to it. We got a 3-mile hike ahead of us with a lot of good views right over LA/Hollywood. Oh, it's gonna get steep right here. Oh yeah, it's up. It's up. It's up. I'll just pull this out so see it better. It's getting steep, huh? Whew. Oh yeah, this is sick. Ooh, so makes your legs burn for sure. You definitely getting a workout in doing this. Yeah. Starting to feel like the Culver City stairs.
We going through that?
I guess so. Be off the radar, have a pool, all that. You can see the Hollywood sign from here, right above where that little tower is fucking. I can't zoom in on Twitch, but
ooh, I see the man right there.
Yeah, in the green, huh?
No, right there. Straight right there. That's the house right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah, that is the one. Man.
Why has he got... I know you can't land on the roof.
Where?
The flashing lights over there. That's usually why you have flashing lights.
Yeah, he probably has his own private helipad somewhere in there. Probably Jeffrey Epstein's house.
You gotta be on one of them flats.
That's Jeffrey Epstein's house. I do not trust that house. It's only standing on a
stilts.
Yeah, I don't trust that.
A lot of these houses are built on stilts, bro.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, they are.
No, I don't want one.
Are built on stilts.
Another red house far down there, and it looks like an estate.
I see the king of the hill.
We're at the very top?
Yeah.
But that's multiple houses, ain't it?
It could be that one house just got multiple.
Because I was only saying that because it has different colors and stuff.
Color, right.
And then they have whole solar panels right here. This probably powers... Well, there's no light hitting this side, though. Not yet, at least.
They've been here a long time.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the dish. See?
And the dish is suntan.
That's old money. That's called old money.
This is like a tour of Hollywood Hills.
Yeah.
Man.
As far back, they all look manicured, but once you get up on them,
Yeah.
they all ain't manicured.
Finally got to a breeze. Working out is getting easy. About time. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so just safe to say that that guy's dog might not be trained.
Right.
We're going back up. Like a big group of people hiking. That'll be awesome. Huh?
That did say that.
What it say? Oh, it do say rattlesnakes. Never.
You see, my eyes caught that. Like, wait a minute, what is that?
Oh, heck no. I ain't wrestling no snake.
Man. I don't even see one in a while.
Cause are rattlesnakes poisonous?
Yeah.
Oh, heck
Every
no.
last one of them.
Oh no.
Boy.
Boy.
Like a rattlesnake.
Boy, I almost took off. I almost took off.
It's like...
all those years, All those years you used to get me, and I finally got you back. Had you hopping like a buddy. Ooh.
Quick.
Ooh. Ooh, that was funny. Chat. After all these years of him pranking me, I finally got him back. Got him good. Got him good. Oh,
I ain't even want to look.
Bro. Oh my goodness. Something just rattled. And they're called rattlesnakes. Why is that bush moving? Whew. This big old rock.
Off in the south, should have brought him on.
Man. My mom always says to keep a pin on you, and I didn't listen. Hold on, chat. You gotta see this. Huh? Oh. Whew. This view is immaculate. We really up here. We came a long way. That grass is rattling. I'm out of there. I'm not playing. If I hear anything in the grass, I'm gone. Whew, if you're in California, you gotta come up here, bro. Get you fit. Look at this. We are up here, up here. We were down there earlier. Then on this side, you got.
Oh, that's where we were. That's the dog.
Yeah, we was way down there. Freedom. Dad, you got to do that. I don't know what I've been told, chat. Chant, you know? I know you know it. I don't know it. You know, I don't know what I've been told, you know? Don't you know it?
No, I don't know it.
I only know the first part. Warning. I don't know what I've been told. You like to suck on grandma's toes. Tyweezy gonna be big on the tube. The streaming stuff is coming real soon. Hey there, Goldilocks.
On this point.
Gonna get up here. I'm on top of the world. We did it, I think. Now we just gotta go back down. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it all the way to the highest point. Now, I'm gonna end the video because there's no point in showing you the way down. You already seen the way up, so you already know about it. But we out of here, man. Stay up. God bless all y'all. Love you, viewers. Chat, why as soon as I stop recording, I end up falling and missing the greatest piece of content? I took my dad down with me. I done fell.
Oh, this just brought us back to the ball.
As soon as I stop recording, I want to fall.